Hold your shoulder, make him jump up to you. Turn your back to the middle of the ring. Turn your back to the inside. Yes.
I'm not good at this.
Settle. Rock him back on his hocks. Start opening up your right side.
Stop zooming. Stop zooming.
Very good. Too good.
Oh.
Now square and ask for it from behind. Outside rein, outside seat bone. Good job.
Oh. Good girl. Ooh. Zoom out. Is this working? No, it's not working. There we go. Ooh. 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 Oh, no, 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 no. Oh. Ah. Oh.
Good. Now with your right seat bone, push him on to the second track and into the corner. Good job. That's the one you used to pass up and leave out. That was great. Good. Very good.